Along the shores of Lake Victoria, small-scale farmers have been increased their pressure by farming, and they use pesticides along the sides, which creates threats to biodiversity. But these herbicides are being flowing into the lake direct, affecting breeding sites, and also fish habitats have been distracted. These small-scale farmers are leading the way, which are consuming the healthier and also destroys the fish habitats. So these small-scale farmers need alternative small-scale economic activities so that to ensure that they get an alternative way to sustain their lives while escape and avoid this situation. We need replacements to ensure that Lake Victoria healthier becomes sustained over long time.